A colorful morning to everyone. My name is Amina. They are my friends. We are from 6th standard. Today we gonna perform expanded form of the day activity. Here we go. My first question is, what is the full form of ORS? I repeat, what is the full form of ORS? If anybody knows the answer, please come forward. Okay, I will reveal the answer. The answer is oral rehydration solution. I repeat, oral rehydration solution. Over to my friend Aisha.
Thank you, Amina. My second question is, what is the full form of FCI? I repeat, what is the full form of FCI? If anybody knows the answer, please come forward. Good morning, everyone. This is Haryan. I am studying in 5th standard. The answer is Food Corporation of India. I repeat, Food Corporation of India. Yes, it is the correct answer. Give him a big round of applause. Thank you, sir. Over to my friend Hamlata.
Thank you, Ayesha. My third question is, what is the full form of PAL? I repeat, what is the full form of PAL? If anybody knows the answer, please come forward.
My name is Ritvik. I am studying in 4th class. The answer is permanent account number. I repeat, permanent account number.
Yes, it is right answer. Give him a big round of applause.
Thank you, friends.
Thank you for giving this golden opportunity.